like you got margarine. I always want to shout out. We got some sugar on here. Oh, what's up, guys? So we just got done with immigration again. We're gonna go every 2 months to renew. It's about 3,000 pesos, or about 60 bucks. So right now I'm looking for a street food place that I saw on Google. We'll see if we can find it, and we'll get back to you. Excuse me. It's supposed to be like a punko, which means like sit. It's like where you like sit on a small bench and then eat fried food from a giant basket, but this place looks like it's a big one. So we'll see if I can find it. It's kind of hard to locate things sometimes, but I'm gonna look for it and we'll get back to you in a minute. Bye. Well, I guess that's not gonna happen. It looks like it's closed now. It's like, I guess it was in a squatter's area and there's a big fence around it, so I can't go there today. Morning. So I guess we're gonna find, there's a couple other places on my Google map that I created. There's a barbecue place up here called Mama Joy, so we're gonna go see if we can find that on this busy road. Huh. It's like a mix of squatters areas and very nice hotels. It's a weird combo. Anyway, it's up here, hopefully it's up here, so we'll see you in a second. Bye. So the barbecue is closed, but I got some good chicken over here across the street. You want to say hey? Hello. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Rowena.
Rowena?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Chris. Good to meet you, Rowena.
Nice to meet you, Chris.
Yeah. There's not much to see here, but the chicken looks really good. So if you come to across from Mama Joy's barbecue, come see Rowena to get the chicken. Now I'm gonna eat. Wow, okay, so we got a quick snack. I was very hungry. I was waiting for that place, but they're closed and the barbecue place is closed. Seems like you gotta come at the perfect time. Next time I'm gonna eat next to the city hall because there's lots of people there selling food, but this is what we got today. I'm gonna keep going. I think I want something sweet, so we'll see if we can get some banana Q or something. So we'll see you in a minute. Is it sweet, Tamis? Okay. Get some pancakes, I guess. Looks good. She's putting some margarine. Good little snack. I'm gonna hit my head on the roof. Vlog. You want to say hey? Let's shout out. Sugar. Okay. Let her finish preparing, then we'll see how they taste. Hit my head on the roof again. Okay, we found a place to eat. It's next to a school. Little bakery here. We got some different stuff. We're gonna try the pancakes. Let's see if I can hold the camera and eat at the same time. So it's like got margarine. I always want to shout out. We got some sugar on here. Oh. It's not very sweet. It was good though. Very good. Like a spongy texture. I don't think they used any baking powder in it because it doesn't have any holes. It's very good, and for 5 pesos, you can't beat it. Let's try something else. I tried the hopia before and I didn't like it because it was onion. They have onion and ube, so I got the ube one. Ah, this is much better. Yeah, the ube is much better than the onion. It's very good. It's flaky. It's really thick too. Very good. Let's see. We got one more. We got binangkal. It's like a dessert hush puppy kind of. Oh wow. It's okay. These are old though. I can tell. It's so hard. I can't even squeeze it. It's so hard. I've had binangkal before. I really liked it. I think they were fresher. These are like maybe day old, so. Anyway, it looks like it's gonna rain on me, so I'm gonna eat and try to get back home before it rains on me, so. Shout out. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye. Well, I was right. It started raining almost immediately. But I got under some shelter. Luckily in the Philippines it only rains for like 5 minutes and then you can walk again. It's just a little wet now. But it's a good walk back from the immigration office. Takes maybe 45 minutes. So we'll see if I find any more street food. See you soon. YouTube. I have a card if you want one, if you want to check it out. Because you'll be on there now. What's the name of this place?
Indoors, food, refreshment.
Ah, is there a sign? Let's see.
Yeah.
Indoors, food and refreshment. Here at the corner of Humai, right? We're near Hoops Dome. Lots of good food. Wow. Express. And yeah, the seaweed,
Yes.
please. What else we got? Humba?
Yeah, humba.
Humba, adobo, atay.
Yes.
I know all the foods. I'm very good.
Menudo.
Menudo, bolinao,
Bolinao.
bangus,
Yes.
chorizo, eggs. They've got everything.
Inununan.
It's what?
Inununan.
I don't know. I haven't heard that one before. Okay.
Yeah, it's spicy and sour.
Okay. Like sinigang?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna try this. See how it is. So good.
Water?
Yes, please. Wow, it's a cute little area. Where? Got spoons. And
Soy sauce.
yes,
Vinegar.
gotcha. Patis, suka. Let's see if I can give her a card when I'm done eating, I guess. Yeah. Ooh, it's so hot. And the rain didn't help either. Now it's very steamy. Let me change to my other attachment for this so I can stand it up while I eat. What's up? Okay. So let's check out what we got. We got Bicol Express, which is like spicy pork. We got pancit noodles, and then we got seaweed with some nice chili peppers and calamansi, and looks like cucumber in there too. Nice healthy little lunch. After we ate 4 pancakes and a couple of hopia. This is actually a really nice carinderia. They have a lot of different choices. I'm the only one here right now, which is nice, even though it's lunchtime. Panza is very like garlic. They even have a little washroom here for washing your hands, which is great. I forgot to get rice. I guess I'll be okay. I can be forgiven. Let's try the Bicol Express. It's like very fatty little pieces. Yeah, it's like skin. Good for collagen. The meat is very tender. It's not as spicy as I like it, but it's still good. It goes really good with the pancit. Let's throw our little peppers inside. I bet this place is very popular for breakfast because it's right here on the corner of Humay Road. Next to the WJV Hotel, which is like one of those hourly hotels where you can like rent for 4 hours. I've never stayed there, but they seem popular. Let's get some pancit with our pico. Very good. And the walk with all this is good too. I feel like the more I walk after eating this, the better. Which is going to be part of Sinulog. Eat so much and then walk a long way home. Sip some water. Try the seaweed. Very crunchy. It's like slippery, hard noodles. It's really weird. It's good, but strange. I'm trying to think of what it's like. Oh yeah. Chili in here is really hot. see I'm just eating it so fast. Wow, I'm full. Pancakes. What else? I had 2 pieces of chicken. Pickle Express. Seaweed. Pancit. Rice. What else? Opia. Wow. Super good. I'm gonna finish with my seaweed and then we'll pay and we'll head home. Maybe I'll get a little bit more video. I'll be giving her the card later, so bye. I think we got bayad na? Here we go. How much do I owe you?
125 pesos.
125. Wow, you have a
POS.
very nice. That's the first time I've seen that. I've been here 2 years. I haven't seen that before. There you go. Here's my card as well, in case you want to look it up on YouTube. Do you own this place? Is this yours? Nah. You just seem like the owner. Very official. I like it. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Now for the walk home. I'm so full. All right. Bye.